Hey guys, so today I received one of my packages that I wasn't expecting until tomorrow early, and it is my order from Hayden Rowe. I did the shooting stars order. I think that's what she called it. Anyway, I have her site pulled up here on my iPad so that I can give you guys scent notes as I go through them. But first, let's talk about what came in my package. So first I received her business card. I received a sticker, which you already know is gonna go on my wax journal. And I received this really neat card that is infused with wildflower seeds. So you plant it in an 1/8 of soil, or an 1/8 inch of soil, and keep moist, and it's supposed to bloom into wildflowers. So I'm actually really excited to do this with my kids. I think that it's going to be a really fun spring activity to do together as a family. So that's that. I also received my invoice and 3 samples. So we'll go through those first. The first one is sea salt. It smells really good. It is in the shape of a cute little ducky. I love him. He's the cutest. And the scent notes for sea salt, it says, this earthy fragrance captures the invigorating freshness of a salty sea breeze. Light floral notes and mild musk balance the ozone freshness to create a dry but refreshing seaside scent. And I couldn't describe this one any better than she has. It is not earthy in a woodsy type of way, but it has that kind of musky, florally kind of earthiness to it. Definitely smells like it has that salty sea air, salty sea breeze, sea salt kind of vibe. We've smelled that part of this 1,000 times, but I think that this is different and unique because of the florals and the mild musk that are in this. Make it just a little bit more special than just another sea salt wax. I love that. I would definitely repurchase that in a larger size. The next one is going to be Vanilla Sky. Again, it's a cute little ducky. They're so cute. They're little round heads. I love this because it's not just vanilla. Let's see if we can find it here. Yeah, I cannot find the scent notes for Vanilla Sky, but it's not just vanilla. Again, this might have some very light florals, a little bit of a very feminine musk. There is something to this that is much more complex than just vanilla, and it really works. Whatever it is, this is really good. The next one that I got is Red Velvet Cake. Now, I'll be really surprised if anybody can pull off Red Velvet Cake in wax. Wow. This does not smell like a cupcake with frosting. This does not smell like cake and frosting. This smells exactly like red velvet cake. And red velvet cake is my absolute favorite cake ever. Little red ducky. His little duck butt. I'll show you his little backside this time. So cute. I'm gonna need loaves of this one because, like I said, red velvet cake is my favorite. I've never smelled a true red velvet in a candle, in a wax, in anything. This is perfect, dead on, spot on. So the next one we are going to do is one that I ordered. It is Bandshell, and I ordered this in a souffle. If I can get my life together, you guys. I think the problem is that once they sell out, it looks like they maybe go off of here. So let me see if I can figure my way around it. Okay, let's see. Nope. Even though I signed in, there is no way once you click on it, there is no way to see it because it's taken down off the site. So unfortunately, I cannot give you guys the actual scent notes. I'm super sorry about that. I should have taken the time to write them down the day that I ordered. Maybe. Oh, I might have found it. I might have found it. I did. Okay. So Bandshell is said to be a churro with cinnamon sugar and creamy vanilla caramel drizzle. Looks like this. These are really deep, quite large. I could probably get 6 to 8 chunks out of one of these souffles, so it's a good amount. This doesn't smell anything like a churro with cinnamon sugar. I'm sorry, it doesn't. Not on cold anyway. This smells exactly like a hot tamale candy or a red hot big red chewing gum. Very candy cinnamon and spice, not bakery cinnamon and spice to me. I still love it, but it just doesn't smell like, a bakery churro. The next one that I ordered is Saltwater Tacky. I also got it in a souffle. This one has a really pretty marbled effect. It's pink and purple and blue. I'm sorry for my plant. Keeps popping up in front of the camera. This smells like fruity candy, cotton candy, and all the things that a saltwater taffy shop smells like. This is spot on saltwater taffy, not Laffy Taffy, not any other taffy, but actual saltwater taffy. It smells amazing, and I would like 5 pounds. 5 pounds of this one to get me through the summer. That ought to do, right guys? 5 pounds for the summer. The next one that I ordered in a souffle is the Telluride. Now, I ordered this one in soufflés. I actually got 3 of them, and it was because when I ordered it in a loaf, so her sale went live at noon, and I was checking out at 12:02. At the checkout, 2 minutes into the sale, Telluride loaf jumped out of my cart. Stop. Sorry, I had to talk to Google. So Telluride loaf jumped out of my cart. So I went onto the group page because I was excited to let everybody know what I did get. And since I had mentioned that the loaf of Telluride jumped out of my cart, the owner was really kind. She came on and said, hey, we still have some soufflés of that one available. If you pop over and use this code, you can place an order for those to add, and it won't cost you any additional shipping, which I thought was really kind. And I'm so happy that she reached out to me so that I could get this. So since I didn't get the loaf, I did order 3 soufflés of this to be about the same amount. Okay, this smells really good. This is one of those things that's super different. It doesn't smell like anything else in the world that I can put my finger on. So I can't just tell you, yeah, it smells like such and such, because I don't know. I've never smelled this before. So I'm gonna give you the scent notes and tell you if they jog anything in my mind. Well, I said I was going to do that, but it's not on here. This scent list is in alphabetical order, and this is not listed. See, I thought I was getting it together, and nope. But this smells very clean, semi-masculine. Kind of like a little bit of a brand new leather. I wish they made this in a men's soap, because I would have my husband wash in this every single day. It smells good, really good. I'm so happy that I was still able to get this, and I was able to get 3 of these soufflés, so it should last me for a bit of time. I'm gonna save this one for next. Okay, so the next one that I ordered in a loaf is the Hummingbird nectar. So we'll go up, see if this one's on the list. Who knew life could be so hard? I don't get it. What am I missing? What am I missing? It's not in the scent list, and it's not on the site anymore. But it smells exactly like Hawaiian Punch, the red Hawaiian Punch that we used to drink when we were little kids at daycare. So it instantly reminds me of daycare. That's funny. Interesting how that works. Let's see. There was posts. Okay. There were some posts on our actual Facebook group that had all of these scents listed. Seeing if I could get to them quickly, but it doesn't look like quickly is going to be a thing. But I'll tell you, though I cannot give you the scent notes once again, I am for sure 100% certain that this indeed smells like red Hawaiian punch. I have no question about it. And I know that if you get this one, you will agree. That's what it smells like. So the last one that I ordered, I have the scent notes for, is her lime cotton candy. This blend of sharp, citrusy, ripe lime with sugary sweetness of pink cotton candy is a scent you'll fall in love with. That is her scent description for this one. It definitely smells like limes, and it definitely smells like cotton candy. The lime on this one is not a fresh lime. This is a candy lime, like a lime jelly bean or any kind of chewy lime candy mixed with cotton candy. This is magical. Unfortunately, this one, it looks like her favorite cotton candy oil has been discontinued. She's searching for another, but she had said to everybody on this sale, if you cannot live without the original lime cotton candy, it's time to stock up. So I had never ordered from her before, so of course I'd never tried the lime cotton candy. I wasn't sure if I was gonna love it, but I knew that if I did love it, I couldn't get any more of it probably. So I decided to go ahead and get a loaf, and only one, because again, I also didn't know if there was a possibility that I wouldn't love it. But I do love it. I am so happy that I was fortunate enough to get this in a loaf size and that I have, you know, as much as I have. I am kind of bummed that this won't probably be a regular purchase for me since it's going away, because I really love this and I feel like this is a summer staple as far as wax is concerned. So my thoughts all together on Hayden Rowe. I love the smell of everything on cold. I love the cute attention to detail in things like the shaped sample wax and this really thoughtful seed card. I love her aesthetic, her simple choice of labeling. I don't love that I cannot access scent notes to things once they have been sold, that everything doesn't seem to be available on her actual scent list online. It just makes telling people about them a little bit difficult. And I also would really like if maybe the scent notes could even be on the labeling itself. I also noticed that there are no pour dates, so I'll just have to kind of guess when it will be okay to go ahead and start using these. But all in all, ordering from her customer service and everything was really good. I had a very positive experience. I love everything that I received, and I will absolutely be ordering from her again in the future. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video.